canvas. Good morning, guys. I am currently getting ready to film a video. I just finished doing my hair and now I'm putting a little bit of Olaplex. I know a lot of people don't like to do this, but I like to put the excess over here because I have a lot of baby hairs and I like to just tame them. So today my plan is I am going to first film a makeup video that I need to post on TikTok and Instagram. Nothing sponsored, just like my own thing. And I have yoga later at 3, and then we're gonna head over to my friend Kayla's house. We're gonna have a chill pool day. I'm going to try to film outside at the pool today. I'm kind of shy. I hope there's not a lot of people there today. But the weather is also looking really gloomy, so I hope that the sun comes out sometime soon. If the sun doesn't come out, I'm just gonna literally film in my room because what's the point of me going outside when the sun isn't even out? Gonna get my stuff ready, put it in a little makeup baggie. I have this box of makeup that I haven't tried yet, but I wanna sort of like give them a first-hand review. I've heard good stuff about this. It really does smell like melon. But I like this. It's a very natural sheen. Okay, I might use this for today's video. I'm done packing my makeup bag. Let's go outside, but first I gotta change. I want to show you guys how I dress like when I'm at home. I literally look like a boy. Video was the one that told me I look like a boy, and I see it. I would love to be the kind of girl that likes sexy silk pajamas, but there's just nothing comfier than an oversized shirt. But anyways, we're going to change in 3, 2, 1. This is the outfit that we're going with. It's just very casual because I am only going to be showing my top half on the video anyways. I'm thinking whether I should make coffee and film, but like I'll be carrying too many things. I'll be carrying my camera, my tripod, my makeup stuff. So okay, I will get coffee after I film the video. Just checked and there's way too many people outside. I will wait for a couple of minutes until at least half of them clear up. Worst case scenario, I'm just gonna stay at home and just film it. Because I'm losing light. Maybe I should just film it. I'll film it in my room. I'm currently filming right now, but I totally forgot to show you guys the closest package that arrived. I'm so excited. I'm actually going to use this for my video today. We have the background noises are just noising. We have here the tinted gel cream moisturizer. They gave me the very famous and loved concealer. I have the cloud setting baked smoothing powder. Also gave brow stuff, so their brow pop, this one is their brow pop nano. They gave their brow gel. Ooh, I'm excited to try their brow gel. I haven't heard much of the brow gel, but I'm very open to trying new things. Also gave their wet lip oil. Ooh, I think I'm going to be using this today. But of course, the product that I'm most excited about are their concealers, so we are going to be trying this out today. They gave me 3 shades. So the first one is in 6.50. I'm guessing O is for olive. They also gave 6.0 and also 8 warm. It's on my hand and see. Oh, this is very dark. This one is 6.0, this is 6.50, and this is 8W. I think I'm gonna go for the middle one, which is 6.50. I'll let you guys know my thoughts after I do my whole makeup. Finished the makeup look. Let me zoom you guys in. I did a summer makeup tutorial on TikTok. Check it out there if you guys want to see how I achieved this kind of blushy, glowy, sun-kissed beach look. I'm so excited for the summer. If you guys have a beach trip coming, go watch my latest TikTok video if you want to get this glowy, sun-kissed makeup. Guys, this is, I think, my new favorite sunscreen. This is the Ultraviolet Queen Screen Luminizing Skin Screen. It's the most interesting consistency. It is very watery and I thought like I would hate it, but I love it. It made my skin this glowy. I did not put any skin tint or anything like that. I only used the Kosas concealer, but this is, I think, my new favorite sunscreen now. Made my skin look so good and so dewy and glowy. I also added a little bit of freckles, if you guys can see. One thing I really want to find is a freckle pen that I can just bring along with me, because I've been using an eyeshadow powder and it's not very convenient to bring like an eyeshadow brush and then the eyeshadow to put on freckles. So I really want to find like a freckle pen. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below. So yeah, this is the makeup look. Did not manage to go to the pool today to film because there's a lot of people, but it's okay. We still managed to film and that's the good part. I will try again another day when I feel more confident. Just finished yoga and I bought like a bunch of watermelon from this shop right outside my yoga place because their fruit is the best. Let me just say that it's so hot right now.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jordan. I'm doing a takeover. Are you guys gonna dive? Do you know how to dive?
She's forcing us to get in the water right now.
Get in the water right now. Oh my god, I swear to god, don't do that. No, watch. It's gonna have to wait for like 4 minutes. Get on film, I swear to god. I'm getting out of the water. I just need one person to watch and like validate me. Hey guys, this is my little document that if we get struck by lightning, I warned everyone.
Jordan, come here.
There, no.
7
Oh my god, hey.
Thumbnail.
My bikini is from Elle and my bottoms are from H&M.
Bikinis from Shein.
Whoa.
Whoa, yeah, they're great. Candy Pulpit in Dublin. Lincoln Fire.
These are H&M. Bottom.
H&M.
Pocket is from Shop.
Slay.
Good morning, guys. It is, what day is it today? It's Wednesday. The construction has been going on for about 5 hours. I am not in a good mood. All I hear is that. Getting ready to go for my casting. I'll show you guys step by step in this video. This is the ultraviolet green screen. I used this yesterday for a TikTok video and oh my god, guys, it made my skin feel so glowy. I loved the feeling of this concealer. I'm using 2 types of concealer. The Smashbox Halo Glow, and I use this for the spots that I want to conceal, like I have some redness. It came out at the perfect time, just as when I'm going to take my casting snaps. They all came out. I'm going to leave that and let it set. Guys, I'm going to go in with the Kosas concealer in 0.650. So just dot. Just leave that to set first again. I'm gonna head on to do my brows. I'm just gonna brush them up. I'm gonna fill in this part right here because I overplucked that part. Concealer brush to blend out the areas that we put concealer on. Why am I breaking out today? Everything will be seen on camera. Also see that it's kind of bumpy, so it really will show on my snaps. Let's see what my booker says, if it's fine or if it's not fine, and then I can go back next week to do it. I won't be putting any mascara though, so I will show you guys a trick on how to make your lashes stay up if you're not using mascara. I finished my makeup and I forgot that I wasn't recording when I did my blush and my lip. But I'll just show you guys what I used. So I used the Rare Beauty liquid blush in Virtue. I used a damp beauty blender and applied it so I don't put too much. And for lip, I used the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige. I love this one because it is very natural. There's not any like tint to it, so it shows your natural color. So this is the close-up of the casting makeup. As you can see, very simple, very natural. This is my casting outfit. I'm still debating though whether I want a white top or should I go all black, because the last time I went in for my casting snaps, I used a black bodysuit. That one looked really nice, but I thought like maybe I should switch it up a little bit for this year's casting snaps. But I will still bring it though in case my booker wants me to wear that. I'm also not gonna bring my camera along, so I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone. So let's cue the phone vlog in 3, 2, 1. All out from the iPhone vlog. Let's go to my agency. I'm gonna do a little cute little montage, so let's go. I need to practice my walk. I haven't done this in so long. Oh, that's so slippery. Just finished our casting, and I told you that she was gonna say something about my bumps, which I knew that was gonna happen because I can see it and I know it's obvious, and for me as a client I would also say something. And this casting snaps in particular is for skincare / makeup brands, so my skin really had to be on point today, but it's not on point. I don't know, guys, I feel so stressed about my skin now. Like it my skin doesn't usually break out, but only today it breaks out. Only today. Yeah, we shall see. I'm gonna go into the agency now to talk about social media stuff. I'm at Lydia's house now. We are getting ready together. Look at her cute little headband. It reminded me of my boyfriend, so I got it. I love Toothless. Me too. I so love cute. Toothless. Why is the lighting so bad? This is the setup so far. Doing a TikTok video on the floor. We need to leave in an hour, but I think we'll make it because I'm already done with my hair and Lydia needs help with her hair, but I'll do it for her. So yeah, no, just giving boy because it's too loose. Okay, I'm done with my makeup, so now I'm gonna help Lydia with her hair. Have brush. Yeah, fuck. What is that? Oh. What the hell is she using? See me now, that's what they prefer. I brought myself a night out. Are you ready? Oh my god,
we're gonna look so much better in 3 seconds. Earrings from I don't know, Portugal, and I don't know how to do your makeup. You gotta look at Instagram. I love him. Whoa.
the food was so good.
Devoured.
But now we're gonna retouch our lip. I'm gonna show you my lip combo. Right? Right?
I'm not putting anything on my lips.
Oh, I love that. She's trying the same lip that I did just now. It's the perfect color for anyone. Wait. Nice. This is nice on her. I got a chicken teriyaki onigiri.
This one's tuna mayo.
And I got Ozempic.
Here.
Follow me on TikTok.
Here. 2, 1, go. When Kayla puts on me, you have to be like that way. Wait. I was me. I'm the problem. You all have to pee.
Oh, you should get one. You order something up at 11 or
You see that?
No, I didn't. I just recorded. Why? What did you do?
We were doing some really suspicious things.
Lydia, are you cheating?
sorry.
It's called polygamy. Polygamy.
Thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the
No, but if you let me That was me. That was me, the photographer. Every single second I turned around when I was dancing, I was like, photographer. I was like, bitch.
Every time we were ugly dancing, the photographer.
Because we were ugly dancing because we were into it.
No,
and then
yeah,
we turned
for
around
real.
flash and we were like this.
It's dark.
I'm a good dancer, I'll stand by that shit.